Okay. Today, new topic start. This topic name dielectric. All is to remember. Today, new topic start dielectric. Understand? Dielectric. Dielectric properly mostly use capacitors. Dielectric mostly use capacitor. Why use? Because capacitor, this capacitor, one positive plate, one negative. This is not capacitor. In nothing inside, the positive negative what condition? Attraction. Positive negative what condition? Attraction. Then finally figure your this you. So this is positive. This is not capacitor. This is not capacitor. Understand? Yes or no? So I use inside dielectric. Okay, so different dielectric use. So first point write on dielectric. The first point write on first what point? Conductor. So write on conductor. All is write on conductor. तो कंडक्टर पढ़ना हाँ कंडक्टर. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एक्सटर्नल दिस साइड से ई एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एक्सटर्नल. तो दिस is positive, this is positive, or this is negative. In this, in between, always remember, in between this side E external, or this side E induced. This side E external, this side E induced. So E net is equal to electric field net is equal to E external minus E induced. Understand? E external minus E induced. Both same value. Show answer 0. Means net electric field is equal to 0 in conductors. Understand? Understand? Yes or no? Venkatesh, understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand? Yes or no? Karthik? Up now use to dielectric. Now use dielectric. So what is condition of dielectric? What effect of dielectric? So use to dielectric. Remember all students. Same cases. This is positive. This is negative. Inside you should dielectric means this shape. This is dielectric. Understand? This is dielectric. This is dielectric. Understand? This is dielectric. Clear na? Understand na? So external E external to outside sir. E external always. In between this E external or this is E induced. Understand? This side E external, this side E induced. Understand na? So E net is equal to E external minus E induced. Clear? But these cases both value not equal because used to dielectric. This dielectric is known as K. Relative permittivity. I teach na Newton's law. F is equal to K, Q1, Q2, K square. This case. K is equal to dielectric. So net electric field net is equal to E external by K. E net, always remember, E net is equal to E external by K. So what is K? K is the dielectric constant, no problem. K is equal to constant, but actually this is K is known as dielectric. So this E external or this is E net. अब any question ask the board exam, competition exam, कि external 100, understand? E net 20. So what is value of dielectric? The 100, this is 10, yeah 20 consider. E external 100, E net 20. So what is the value of dielectric? Understand? Understand? So what is K? K is equal to E external by net. This one logic clear. Actually formula E net is equal to E external by K. But exam time ask the value K. The K is equal to what value? E external by E net. Understand? E external by E net. Understand? Yes or no? Actually meaning of K, you have 10 rupees. You go market, 2 rupees eat the chocolate. So remaining 5, na? Divide. Oh, no minus, sir. No minus. This is divide. What is divide? E external by E net is equal to, understand? Na? Net means you have 5 rupees. You go some meeting. So what net? The remaining K is equal to E external by E net. So always division. Understand? This concept direct ask the question exam times. Write down. All students write down. Sanjay, understand? Sanjay, understand?
Sir, what happened to E induced, sir?
E induced means negative side. Any electric field produced this side, not induced.
Sir, final formula, sir.
Final formula E external is equal to E external minus E induced. Hey, write down. This. Okay. Hey, you write down. My one question, Induja. My one question. What conductor? Conductor means E external, E net is equal to. Hey, conductor means E internal is equal to 0. So what is K value? Now, my question, exam time ask the question, कि in conductor net electric field 0. Understand? Na? So what is value of K of conductor? Logic
Infinity,
creates.
sir.
This is infinitive, so K, 0 na? So K is equal to 0, infinitive. Understand? Na? This
Sir,
type
how,
of the
sir?
question. 1 by infinitive is equal to 0 na, Venkatesh?
1 by
1
infinity,
infinitive
sir.
is equal to 0 na?
Okay, sir.
So
1 by
this
infinity.
total term 0, the K infinitive.
Okay.
Understand, cannot understand?
Okay, sir.
Understand? Exam time ask the value. Exam time ask the value in between air. In air, E net is equal to E external. In air, net is equal to E external. So K value 1. Understand? Exam time not value given. Mostly exam time value K value given, but sometime ask the value K. Your question E net is equal to E external. Question E net is equal to E external in air. Air condition, always remember. Air condition, always remember. E net is equal to E external. That means K value 1. Of exam time ask the question कि in air, exam time ask the question in air, exam time ask the question in air, E net is equal to, option given, greater than E external, less than E external, equal to E external, none of this. Equal to. Understand? So this type question are the NEET exam, yeah, local exams, not IIT. Write down. Write down. All should write down. Understand K. What is K? K is equal to dielectric constant. K is equal to dielectric. Write down. All should K is equal to dielectric constant. K is equal to dielectric constant. Understand? Write down. K is equal to dielectric constant. Okay, clear concept. The first you study only conductor. Conductor means E net 0. Second, understand dielectric. Dielectric means E net is equal to E external by K. Both combined, sir. Means now write down in capacitor. Write down in capacitor. Write down. अब remember. Hello. अब remember. This is capacitor na? Yes or no? This is capacitor. This is positive value, positive plate. This is, understand? Up now in between put the dielectric. So fully I give the some separate distance, this distance, but exam time not given this. Exam time full packs. Okay, this is dielectric. This is dielectric. Understand? This is dielectric. And hello, understand? This is dielectric. Clear na? So dielectric, so this positive, so this what value? Negative. So attraction na? So attraction, this is negative. This negative, so this is, understand? Clear na? Yes or no? So this is sigma plus, this sigma minus. Inside, this is inside na? So inside sigma minus, or this is inside sigma plus. Understand? This is outside, so sigma plus, sigma minus. In this capacitor inside na? Two layers. One capacitor, one. Tell me.
Sir, inside air, sir.
No. One capacitor inside what? Dielectric. Hey, here I beat na. Here told one capacitor, one dielectric. So one capacitor is positive inside, positive, negative, or dielectric also positive, negative. So this positive, the positive in negative inside. This is negative, the positive inside. Understand? Same, understand? Na? Sigma charge. Sigma charge. Sigma is equal to surface charge density. Now start. Now start. What is charge? Types of charge. No, na. Online class not understand. Okay, clear na? Up now, hello. In between, this is what is E external, E external, or this is E induced. Clear? Yes or no? The E external, E is equal to formula 10th class. 11th. I start na E electric field. E formula. Electric field formula. KQ by A. Bit. E is equal to a different formula in the form of sigma. In the form of sigma. Understand? No, understand? Very good. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. This na? Yes or no? 4 pi R square area. The Q by epsilon naught area. This is equal to sigma. The sigma by epsilon naught. Yes or no? This type mind use na? Understand? So E is equal to E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Yes, sigma by epsilon naught. Understand? Hey, hello. Understand? Cannot understand? Vishal, stop. First clear concept. Again write down. Understand? Sigma E is equal to sigma by. So this once this side na. So what value? Sigma by epsilon naught minus inside the sigma I by epsilon naught is equal to sigma by epsilon naught K. E by E external by K. Sigma, sorry, epsilon naught cancel. This sigma not cancel. Understand? Na? This go this side, this come this side, sir. The sigma inside is equal to what value? Tell me. Sigma inside what value? This go this side, this come this side. So what value? Sigma minus sigma by K. This na? Yes or no? So sigma inside is equal to sigma 1 minus 1 by k. This is the formula of sigma inside. Understand? Yes or no? Which point not understand, sir? First you know कि first you know E external by E external minus E induced is equal to E net. Last class, last step. E external minus E induced is equal to E net. E net is equal to E external by K. Yes or no? The E external what value? Sigma by epsilon naught. This inside sigma I by epsilon naught is equal to sigma by epsilon naught into K. Sigma naught, sigma naught, sigma naught cancel. Sigma is find, sir. The sigma I is equal to sigma 1 minus 1 by k. Sir. अब K1, that means sigma I is equal to 1. So 1, 1, 0. So this 0. So sigma I is equal to 0. 0 means conductor. 0 means conductor, na? Sigma अब infinitive. 1 by infinitive 0. So sigma inside by sigma, sir. Understand? So this relation, remember, sir, sigma inside is equal to sigma bracket 1 by 1 minus k. This relation all student remember. Write down.
Sir, in exam, how sir they will ask the questions here? There's
Sigma,
some.
exam time, k value given, sigma value given, sigma inside find, sigma induced find. Yeah, anyone, any two given third find, sir. अब your question in air, sigma induced is equal to in air k value 1, 1 minus 1, 0. The sigma inside is 0. According to condition, but formula this only, sigma inside is equal to sigma 1 by 1 minus 1 by k. K is equal to dielectric. K is equal to dielectric. Understand? Rough? All is to understand. Any student doubt, inform me. Not understand, again inform me. Not yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Behavior, leave it, sir. Doubt to ask the question, not doubt, again ask the question, sir. Not only yes. Tell me what problem. This. So sigma I. Rough? Rough na? Karthik? Understand, you cannot understand. Okay. Next. V is equal to what? V is equal to E into D, na? Yes or no? V is equal to, a bit 1 minute. Bit 1 minute. Understand? E is equal to V into D. Yes or no? E is equal to V into D minus V into D. But okay, no problem. Minus directions. So E is equal to what value? E is equal to what value? E sigma epsilon naught K D. Yes or no?
Sir, what is that, sir? I have some network problem. V is equal to ECL, sir.
ED. E into D. E into D. Understand? Sigma is equal to Q by A. Sigma is equal to Q by A. Yes, na? So V is equal to Q epsilon naught K A D. Now remember, understand this line? Yes or no? C is equal to what formula? Yeah, V is equal to Q by C. So Q is equal to VC. Yes or no? Correct, na? Yes or no? So V, this Q finds, sir. The Q is equal to what value? epsilon naught K A by D into V. So what is this? This is known as, understand? So C capital new formula create, C is equal to epsilon naught K A by D. Understand? C is equal to not only Q by V or V by Q or something. C is equal to epsilon naught K A by. Understand? Write down, sir. Sanjay, understand? Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
So Q is C is
Sir,
equal to
A means what, sir? Ampere, sir.
I beat you. A area na.
Okay, sir.
Home no study.
Sir, no, sir. Simple doubt, sir.
This not right. Okay, rough side right. Sir. Understand? Karthik and what name? Trilokesh. You understand Trilokesh? Hey, which topic you doubt now inform me, sir. Tomorrow I give the, yeah, today after class finish, you sit, I give the extra 1 hour, sir. Tomorrow, inform me. First inform me, sir. this all this all is student na, online class not a study. Okay, logic understand. C is equal to A. C is equal to what value? Epsilon naught K A by D. Epsilon naught value 8 point something. This all value. So always remember C greater than 1. Always C value greater than 1. Never negative, never less than. C always greater than 1. Reason this. Write down. Next point write down. Next point write down. Breakdown voltage. Breakdown voltage. BRE. This. So write down breakdown voltage. Write down breakdown voltage. This is name this name BV. Exam time VB not given this. Yeah. So this means breakdown voltage. This means breakdown voltage. What is breakdown voltage? Tell me. Tell me. What is a school complete na capacitor? Tell me. Sanjay. Tell me, Sanjay, what is breakdown voltage? Dashania. Any example? Breakdown. Breakdown means break means understand? Na? So 1 volt simply don't know na. So what is the meaning? Start the definition, sir. Breakdown. Breakdown means break. Any voltage break. Means you continue give the voltage, 2 voltage, 3 voltage, 5 voltage, 6 voltage, 7 voltage, 100 voltage, 200 voltage of suddenly ball fuse. So that voltage is known as, understand? Understand, cannot understand. Any teacher asks, what is breakdown voltage? Sir, fuse. Understand, na? Understand? One bulb, you take one bulb, you start volt, give the 220 volt. This 220, na? 220, 240, 230, 260, 270, 280, 281 given up the fuse. The 281 is known as breakdown voltage. Understand, na? Yes or no? Clear, na? Any teacher asks the question, what is breakdown voltage? So this definition give answers, sir. No problem. So breakdown voltage depend upon the breakdown voltage to name, sir. Breakdown voltage depend upon the dielectric strength. How many are your strength? Strength. Breakdown voltage depend upon the dielectric strength. You depend on strength, sir. Simple example, you start the chapati, sir. Yeah, Italy. 1 Italy, no problem. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, no problem. 8, no problem. 9, enough. So your strength, what is your strength? So this is known as breakdown voltage. Understand? Na? Your strength, your breakdown, your strength, your breakdown, my strength, my breakdowns. So breakdown voltage. The strength, dielectric strength of voltage. Understand? Na? Means always I told you want IIT qualify to maintain the distance WhatsApp, Facebook, but no. All I also inform parents do not give the phone a smartphone, simple phone, but no parents give a smartphone. Not qualify, sir. My son not qualify. Your problem. This phone, this boy. Are you big? Very good. Okay, understand what is breakdown voltage. So write down breakdown voltage is equal to, write down breakdown voltage is equal to, write down breakdown voltage is equal to dielectric strength into dielectric strength distance into distance. D. K. But you write down not K. Breakdown voltage BV is equal to dielectric strength DS into D. Huh. Dielectric strength not denoted by K, sir. Dielectric strength unit volt by distance. Okay. Means exam time ask the question ki breakdown voltage directly proportional to, always remember breakdown directly proportional to strength or directly proportional to distance. Distance less, breakdown voltage less. Distance get, understand na? Understand na? Your thumb be this. The more it, no problem. Understand na? Your thumb be this. So two enough. Tambi, Tambi Tamil word, sir. No, Tambi Tamil, no. Tam, I think Bangla word, I don't know. But, understand, na? So, dialectic, hey, understand, na? What is the breakdown voltage? Understand, na? Breakdown voltage directly proportional to dielectric strength, yeah, directly proportional to distance. But break, dielectric strength does not depend upon the distance. Right down. Dielectric strength does not depend distance, but dielectric strength does not depend upon the distance. Dielect, but dielectric strength does not depend distance, not depend a strength. Clear? Yes or no? Understand na? So clear na? अब any question ask the question कि this is capacitor, this value 6 microfarad, this value 3 microfarad, this voltage given, this breakdown voltage given 4 volt, this breakdown voltage given 10 volt. Understand? This breakdown 10. So your question, find the breakdown of this system. This is one system. Your question, find the breakdown for this system. Understand? So any question this type, the first find charge. The Q value, this value. Q is equal to, tell me, 4 into 6. Na? So 24. So this is Q2 is equal to 30. 30. Understand? Yes or no? So which less than, sir? This less than? This less than? Always less than charge. Less than always. This 120, 4. This is 10. So first charge find. So this charge. So less than charge, this. So this is the main breakdown voltage charge. Understand? So 24. The Q is equal to V into C equivalent. This is series की parallel. Series means 1/6, 1/2.